AUTEC Sushi Robot, ASM865. Spray AUTEC oil evenly onto these parts. Never spray oil on the feeding cutter unit's gears. Loosen sushi rice clumps before placing into the hopper. Press power button. Place the seaweed on the slide base and press the start button for the operation to begin. Select one of 3 programs. Set precise rice mat specifications through the mode function, with length options of 30 mm to 215 mm and thickness options from 5 mm to 15 mm. When the finished rice mat slides out, place onto the sushi rolling mat and roll with fillings. ASM865 includes an auto supply function. This function automatically produces rice mats without the constant need to press the start button. ASM865 features 2 styles of rice mat productions. Produce the rice mat directly onto seaweed, or place seaweed onto the rice mat after it's produced. Easily switch between the 2 depending on your needs. In case of an emergency, push the emergency stop knob to halt operations. To resume, pull out the knob and press the clear button. Remove the following parts for cleaning: hopper, front cover, hopper base, forming rollers, feeding cutter unit, rice guide, and slide base. Use a soft sponge to wash parts. When paired with exclusive ideas and techniques, the possibilities are endless. AUTEC Sushi Robot, ASM865.